You've gotta be kidding me. It's my master after all. The master of pranks.
My dear apprentice, unfortunately, an important matter has come up and I had to travel at short notice. I left you a list with challenges on the blackboard for the Magic Academy. Best wishes and good luck.
He's still a mystery to me. It's a rather odd choice just to test my abilities. I'm becoming more powerful with every improvement. My dream of becoming one of the greatest illusion mages might actually come true.
No! Not Sir Snuggles! What did he do to you?